Welcome to the day 2 of FATAG Tech Expo. Let's deep dive into innovations, insights, and technology. Compared to day 1, day 2 is all about serious discussions, deeper demos, and decision making. Today, brands are focusing on advanced demos, AI automation, data security, cloud infrastructure, and smart enterprise solutions. Industry leaders are also sharing insights through knowledge sessions, discussing challenges, growth opportunities, and the future of ICT in India. This expo isn't just about showcasing technology, it's about strengthening partnerships, supporting Indian IT businesses, and building a connected tech ecosystem. So, first of all, thank you so much for joining us with Digital Channels today. As you can see, the Prama is displaying various the product portfolio over here in the FATAG Tech Expo. So could you please explain what kind of new tech you are displaying over here?
So over here we have showcase our the entire product basket which we do have in the Prama Pavilions. So starting from the basic analog HD solution, then in the IP camera, which is the now the current trend is in the government has changed the policy with respect to IP camera. So they have particularly bring this STQC certified in the India market. So our all the IP cameras is now enabled with the government's STQC policy certificate. So ranging from the 2 megapixel to 8 megapixel. Then we do have a different vertical solution like city surveillance solution, education solution. We do have a retail solution, hospitals solutions, banking solutions. Apart from the camera, we do have the Wi-Fi range camera. So for that we have launched our own brand iDada by Prama, which entirely cater the Wi-Fi series. For home segment, Soho segment, we do have a video door PON. We do have access controls for the education and small offices and big offices, corporate offices. Apart from this, SSB we do have. So all in one, we have entire product range. We have showcase over here in this FATAG Expo.
Okay, so what is your takeaway from FATAG Tech Expo? What kind of experience you are getting here? What kind of response over here you have get so far?
So actually, this is the first expo organized by FATAG, and within these 2 days, we have received the wonderful response. Yes, thanks to entire FATAG, still congratulate to them that they have done the wonderful job to bring the entire Gujarat's system integrator, distributors, SRDs, retailers, installer to this venue and showcase them the entire product range of the various companies. So it was a wonderful response we have received so far from the exhibition, and people have seen our strength, our products, result and quality, and people are happy with the Prama's performance, and definitely we are going to get this ROI in the short period.
So you can please walk us through with the products you have displayed here. We can showcase it to our audience.
Sure. So this is our IP range of products where you have seen we shown the display of 2 megapixel, 4 megapixel, 6 megapixel camera ranging from the night color vision. Then we do have varifocal cameras. This is the 32 channel NVR. Here we have shown this Wi-Fi camera. Shortly it will be launched in the market where we are ranging from the Wi-Fi series, 4G camera, solar camera in this segment. This is our education solution. So in the education, we do have a CCTV camera, access control for the attendance, and this is the smart board interaction board where the blackboard has been replaced by the smart whiteboard, and we can use this intelligent interactive board for this education purpose. For the home segment, we have video door PON. So we have two technologies. One is analog technology and one is Wi-Fi wireless technology, where the quality results can be shown to the customer. If your customer is not available at home and the device is connected with the wireless or Wi-Fi or internet, so poll will be automatically diverted to your mobile phone. So if you are not available at home, still you can talk with the guest, and you can inform that by when you will be available. or if you are at home and you want to see that who is outside the gate, and by authentic them, you want to give them entry. So this is for that. We have videographer for small offices to large scale offices. Attendance and authorized entry is required. Code that we have access control solution.
Okay.
And for the city surveillance solution, we do have a very ANPR camera. We have thermal PTZ. We have body worn camera. We have the 128 channel NVR. So all this solution we have represented over here and showcasing our the product strength.
Okay. So all of these products are already available in the market?
Yes, it is already available in the market.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving your time today, and I hope in the future as well we keep having more such content.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's start the conversation is with your what kind of products you are displaying in the FITAC Tech Expo, and what kind of response you have received so far.
Yeah, thank you for this opportunity. So we are Nextview, and since last 15 years we are in this display product. We are a manufacturer of LED TVs and digital signages. Since last 15 years we have sold more than 5 lakh products across India, and this is the FITAC first expo, and we got a really good response. More than 45 IT associations are visited our stall. So it's around 2,500 people minimum, dealers, 2,500 dealers, distributors are visited our store. At our store, there are so many LED TVs, smart TVs with Google, Android, WebOS, and there are 17 models of digital signages. So the complete display visited by more than 2,500 distributors, and it was really fabulous. It's a really good experience with FITAC, and next time we are always ready to do this kind of expo with FITAC.
So could you please explain about what kind of technology or product you are staying here somewhere so that we can cater it to our audience?
Here we display our all products like digital signage and this TVs.
Okay.
Right. So and every time this is the total product portfolio. Apart from that, we have one software. This software shows how TV can convert into digital signage. So one TV make it 2 part, one TV make it 3 part. Kind of software are also demonstrated here.
Okay. What is your takeaway from FITAC Tech Expo?
Definitely. अगर B2B डीलर और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के साथ बिजनेस करना है तो दिस इज द ओनली प्लेटफॉर्म कि आपको 1-2 दिन में 3,000 से ज़्यादा डीलर्स को मिलने का मौका मिल रहा है. तो माय टेकअवे इज रियली नाइस एक्सपीरियंस विद FITAC, एंड ऑलवेज आई एम विद द टीम, एंड डेफिनेटली उनको जो भी सपोर्ट चाहिए हम आगे करते रहेंगे. थैंक यू.
And what is your presence in India? Are you present in Gujarat only, or we have presence in all over?
Thank you for this question. We are our distributor network is presented at Maharashtra, Rajasthan, MP, and Gujarat. Apart from these four states, we have so many dealers distributed across India. But in our structure present is available in 4 states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, MP, and Rajasthan.
So are you thinking about expanding as well?
Yes, definitely. I'm trying to grow in more states, but step by step. See, this is service business. This is not a product business, right? So in service business, हमको पहले सर्विस को वहाँ पहुँचाना है, हमारे इंजीनियर को पहुँचाना है, सपोर्ट को पहुँचाना है. अगर वो पहुँच गया, हम बिजनेस करने के लिए पहुँच जाएंगे. That is the only reason Nextview is slow in expanding its business, because we are focusing on service, not on our product first.
So what was the idea behind the Nextview when you started it, when इसका कब से start है?
See, Modi ji inspiring us a lot. जो वो गुजरात में तभी कहते थे कि मेक इन इंडिया, मेक इन इंडिया, मेक इन इंडिया. तो उनका हमारा एक ही पर्पस था कि टीवी जैसी या डिस्प्ले जैसी स्मॉल प्रोडक्ट्स को अगर हमको इंपोर्ट करना पड़ता है, इट इज़ रियली टफ. सो वी आर ऑल्सो सोल्जर. हम अब बिजनेसमैन नहीं, हम भी सोल्जर ही है कि वो बॉर्डर पर फाइट कर रहे हैं और हम लोग यहाँ पे फाइट कर रहे हैं. लेकिन बिहाइंड आइडिया एक ही है कि इंपोर्ट प्रोडक्ट को, चाइनीज़ प्रोडक्ट को हमको बंद करना है. ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए, डिस्प्ले प्रोडक्ट के लिए अगर हम अदर कंट्री पर डिपेंड रहेंगे, इट्स नॉट फॉर अस, इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर आवर कंट्री ऑल्सो. सो द मेन आइडिया बिहाइंड इज दैट मेरा ब्रांड का ग्रोथ होना चाहिए, इट्स ओके, बट हमारे साथ साथ हमारे कंट्री का भी ग्रोथ होना चाहिए.
Okay. So for next 5 years, what is your business strategy?
Yeah. Next 5 years, we are trying to expand minimum in 15 states every year. Every year, we are going to add 3 states. Why? Because we are already now available on JAM, the government platform.
Oh.
So in this way, we can enter any state step by step very easily. So next 5 years, to this JAM portal, to this government business, we are expanding our business in another 15 states.
Okay. As union budget is around the corner, what kind of expectations you have from the budget as well? What kind of help you want from the government side that might enable the business?
Yeah, definitely. So from government side, sometimes there are so many. See, government running a good schemes, good number of the subsidies are there, number of loans are there, number of funding partners are there. But sometimes there are some errors. Like उन्होंने अभी बताया था ATI से ले लो तो स्टार्टअप को 3 ईयर के लिए इनकम टैक्स नहीं देना पड़ेगा. बट दे आर नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग कि अगर आपके पास कॉर्पोरेट कंपनी का 30% टैक्स पे नहीं 25% कंपनी वाला स्लैब लिया है तो ATI में आपको कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिलेगा. हमारी जैसी कंपनी मेहनत करती है, ATI से लेके आती है, 1 साल का मेहनत लगता है, उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट में जाते बोलते हैं यार योर टैक्स एग्जम्पशन इज नॉट वैलिड बिकॉज यू आर इन 25% ऑफ स्कीम. सो समटाइम्स देयर आर सो मेनी एरर इन कम्युनिकेशन फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट साइड. स्कीम्स है लेकिन उसका प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है कि हाउ वी कैन अर्न दिस ऑफर अर्न दिस स्कीम. तो वो हमारा एक एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि जो भी गवर्नमेंट का ऑफर, जो भी फैसिलिटीज़ है वो हम तक इन अ वे प्रॉपर वे एक्सप्लेन किए जाए. दैट इज़ द ओनली वे कि स्टार्टअप कैन ग्रो ईजीली. एंड अदर दैन दिस एक ही हमारा गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट है थ्रू योर मीडिया के अगर उनका जो भी प्लेटफॉर्म है जैम प्लेटफॉर्म, आज गवर्नमेंट बहुत ग्रो कर रहा है, वो अमेजोन और फ्लिपकार्ट से भी आगे निकल चुका है जैम प्लेटफॉर्म. तो ये सब प्लेटफॉर्म पे एटलीस्ट इंडियन ब्रांड को पहले प्रमोट किया जाए. जैसे हमारे डिस्प्ले फील्ड में हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स है LG, सैमसंग, MI, वो सब टीवीज या वो सब डिस्प्ले प्रोडक्ट उनको कैंसिल किया जाए और हमारे जैसे इंडियन मेक इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट है उनको सपोर्ट किया जाए ताकि इंडियन कंपनी ग्रोथ करे, नॉट अदर कंट्रीज जो अदर कंट्री की कंपनी ब्रांड आके बैठी है वो जैम का बिजनेस लेगा.
Thank you so much for your time today, sir. And I hope in the future as well we will keep in connection.
Definitely. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining the Digital Channels today. To start the conversation, I would really want to understand when did you started MED Infosoft and what is its background, Chepa?
So, first of all, I like to introduce MED Infosoft company. We started in 1998.
Oh.
Then we moved to where we started with the hardware business. Then we moved to software business in 2000. Then our majorly portfolio into cybersecurity solutions. So currently, as we came as a boot, right now we have ESET endpoint security solution we have. So we are Leicester distributor for ESET endpoint security. Then we have firewall Fortinet we have. Then we have vCloud solution as an end solution. These are the booth we have right now, and we are doing the solutions at more than 20 plus years we had.
Okay. So how has been the journey so far? As you are the national distributor, how many partners you have currently with them you are working till now?
So we have currently 5,000 plus partners we have on different regional fan India. We are SI retail partners. So we are working with them closely. So we work as a value-added distributor. So we have strength, we have the support team, technical team, pre-sales team. We try to solve the solution. This way we work.
What is the takeaway from Pratap Tech Expo? What kind of exposure you are expecting from here, and how it is enabling your organization?
So as a feedback, so there's a group of all the organizations, and particularly Bhushal. So we try to connect all the different partners which were knowingly, which are not knowingly. We met different new partners also. So in today's particular expo, we try to launch a new product, vCloud. So we got many connects, many got interest in the hardware in that particular solution. Also, many people are know for a ESA endpoint security solution what we are doing and firewall. So many people heard about the different features of the endpoint security product and firewall product. So we connected many new partners also and got a refresh with the existing partners.
So can you please explain a bit about vCloud? What is it is offering?
So vCloud is a clean client solution. So you can connect on the local network. So let's be. It's a basically thing like Meesho. Yeah.
Okay. And as the budget is also around the corner, so do you have any expectations from the government to, enable the channel community and provide some kind of reforms for which are beneficial for the IT sector as a whole?
So my request to government is like cybersecurity is a major role play. Like many people, like as a DPDP Act is going to be passed also. That is a big initiative for us to get data get be secured. So more awareness people needed. Like people get aware. We want that type of element as a taxation benefit. Many people, like many customers get as a GST is high. We get a GST rebate on 18% GST. They can reduce the GST. It is good for us, for the customers also.
Okay. And what is your business strategy for, let's say, next 5 years? What kind of rate you are expecting?
So as we think like next 5 years, the industry is going on. Like we try to enable the partners, try to empower the customers, understanding the technologies. Like this is the focus. These are the we try to solve the pain point of the particular customer. So this way we'll try to grow in the different geography. Right now we have the team member in Delhi, Mumbai, and West Bengal. So we're going to soon trying to launch new manpower in other part of the state like South. So this way we are going to increase our business for the
Okay. If we talk about partner enablement, so you guys are any kind of workshops or seminars or any kind of programs for.
So what we do webinars with partners, and also we do one-to-one training to the webinar, like online demo scheduling. Let's based on the partners how they want. We also try to go with the partners in there with the customer. They want help to help the POCs and everything. We do join together with them.
Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope in the future as well we will have more such funds.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So first of all, thank you so much for joining the Niku channels today.
You're welcome to Aerobartech.
Okay, thank you. So I would like to understand what kind of product you are showcasing over here at the Pitaptech Expo.
So I'll take you along with the whole display which we have. So we have this, which is the GRP brand. So this is a GEM registered brand wherein we have UPS starting from a 600 VA line interactive models to a online UPS. So we have an online UPS and we have three-phase UPS. Okay. So we have line interactive, we have three-phase. So these are GEM registered products. So these are what we sell to the government and whatever tender businesses are there. Apart from this, that's the brand which we have. Then apart from this, we have, which is the main brand, which is Aero. These are the Aerobartech products, which range from a LI model. So this is a 600 VA to a 1 kVA model to online models. Primarily all of them are UPS. And these are the stabilizers which we have, which are industrial servo stabilizers and the normal stabilizers. We also have a tie-up with a Relicel brand. Relicel is our partner brand from where we source the batteries, and we also have many other tie-ups with Relicel. So it's a small 7Ah battery up to the large batteries, and on the other side you can see we have the lithium-ion batteries. So that's the future which you are asking about. Next we will be getting into the UPSs. We already have lithium-ion battery UPSs, and that's the product category we are getting it. So UPS, which is GEM registered for government supplies, as well as Aero, which is for normal institutions and consumers. Plus we have a tie-up of batteries, wherein we have normal BRLA batteries, lead acid batteries, along with the lithium-ion batteries. So that's the whole range which we have.
So what kind of response you have received from the Pitaptech Expo so far, and what are your key takeaways for this expo?
So the response has been very, very good. In fact, today the response has been fabulous. So we have got number of inquiries both from customers as well as from the partners who are interested to tie up with us, not only from the local sales but as well as for the GEM sales which they want to. And in fact, we would have been very happy had the exhibition would have been for 3 days, where it would have been a full weekend. Then the response and the overall return would have been very, very great.
If you talk about what kind of business strategies you are implementing for growth in the next 5 years.
So we are using three-pronged strategies. So one, we are getting very, very strong in the e-com marketplace. Then we are also increasing our footprint of the channel partners, and we are participating in the GEM tenders at GEM businesses. So that's how the overall three-pronged strategy is there to increase the business of both the consumer-facing brands of Arrow and GRP, as well as the partner brand of Relisep.
So how are you enabling your partners or providing them the incentives which would help them to sell the products in large numbers, to reach out to new customers? What kind of enablement you are providing with it?
So we are building up our websites very strongly, as well as there are numerous amounts of consumer promos which are there. So between these two programs, we are trying to increase our overall reach for the customers. Right now, we are already into south of India. West, we are also very, very strong. Gujarat being our biggest foothold. We are expanding into north of India. We are already there in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. We are expanding into Punjab and New Delhi, and eventually into east of India. So that's the expansion plan which we have.
So you have partner network as well in all these cities.
So we are expanding the partner network right now. So we have got today. We also got inquiries from Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir. So apart from these states wherein we are in, we will be expanding the partner network.
As Union budget is also around the corner, do you have any wish from the government side or any expectations from this budget which would enable the whole ID sectors, MSMEs, and the hardware sector?
So we are hopeful that there would be special concessions given, as well as we have our own manufacturing in Baroda and Ahmedabad. I hope government will come up with policies wherein companies or MSMEs like us will be able to expand and set up manufacturing in a much more bigger way.
Thank you so much for your time today, sir, and I hope in the future as well we keep having more.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So this was 2 powerful days of countless discussions and endless innovations. This was the FITAG Tech Expo in Gandhinagar. Comment below what tech impressed you the most, and stay tuned for more on-ground coverages.